Hello, welcome back to my magical world of math. Today we are going to learn how to verify the multiplication by using digit sum. Digit sum are digital root, and also in Vedic mathematics this is called Bijank. So what to do? Questions are given, answers are also given. We have to verify whether these answers are correct or not without doing the actual multiplication. By using digit sum, by using a small trick, very easily we can check that whether these answers are correct or not. Let us see now. See the first one. 43 multiplied by 52 is 2236. This is the given answer. Let us check whether this is correct or not. Okay. How to check that? First we have to find the digit sum. So how to find the digit sum? Add all the numbers, bring it into single digit. Okay. 4 plus 3 is 7 into, this is a multiplication, write it as it is. 5 plus 2 is 7, write 7, write equals as it is. Then 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 6 is 13, right? 13 we can write directly also 4. 7 into 7 is 49. 49 means 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. Or we can write it as directly also we can write. So these two we can write it as 4 equals 4. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. If we get both the sides same answer, what answer is given is correct. In this way, very easily we can find this. Let us see for the second one. It is little bigger one. If you want to multiply this, it takes long time. But if you use the digit sum, you can check this in seconds. Okay. First, what we should do? We have to find the digit sum. How to find the digit sum? Add all the numbers, bring it into single digit. Okay. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Into, write that as it is. Next is 9 plus 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. 2 and 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. Okay. Here let us see. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. 20 plus 8, 28. 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 is 1 plus 0. So that is 1. Here it will be 6 nines are 54. 5 plus 4. So this will be 5 plus 4 is 9. Here we got 1. That means 9 is not equal to 1. So left hand side of the answer, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. If you not equal. 1 minute. Yes. Okay. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So the first answer what it is given is correct. But second answer what it is given is not correct because left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So this answer is wrong. So in this way, very easily we can find. Now we can check this for the division also. We can use the digit sum or digital root or Bijank to verify the answer even for division. So digital sum can be used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and also for division. Okay. Now let us see. First, what we should do? We should find the digit sum. We know how to find the digit sum. What to do? Add all the number, bring it into single digit. That's how we have to find the digit sum. We have to find the digit sum for all. So 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is how much? 17. 17. 1 and 7. Bring it into single digit. That will be 8. Okay. Here it will be 7 as it is, right? And here it will be, this will not right. First we'll find it. 1 plus 0 plus 4. 1 plus 0 plus 4 is 5. Okay, we'll write 5. So now we know all the digit sum. So directly we will not do that. We will use a formula for that. What is that? Dividend equals quotient into divisor. Okay, quotient into divisor. Dividend, which is dividend? This is the dividend. What is that? 8. So what is the quotient? Quotient is the answer. That is, we got 5. Write 5. Into. What is the divisor? Divisor means the number by which we have divided. That is 7. That will be 7. So 7 into 5 is 35. 35 means that is 3 plus 5, 8. Right. So 8 is equal to 8. So that the given answer is correct. 8 is equal to 8. If we get the same number, it is correct. If we get different number, then it is wrong. That means given answer is correct. Okay. Now let us take one more example. Now we know what is the formula. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor, and also plus remainder will be there if we have remainder in the given question. But here we don't have any remainder, so we have not added the remainder. If we get somewhere, we have to add it, but here we have no remainder. Okay. Now again we will do this. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 means 2 plus 1, that is 3. And here 1 plus 2 is 3. And here 1 plus 3 is 4. These are the digit sum we got. What is the formula? D is equal to Q into D. We can write it in the short form. D is equal to Q into D. Plus R also you can write, because if you have any reminder, you can use that. But we don't have any reminder here. D is how much? D is the dividend. This is the dividend. So that we got how much? We got 3 equals here quotient. Quotient is the answer. Which is answer? 13 is the answer. So 4 into divisor. Divisor means by which number you have divided? You have divided by 12. What is the digit sum for that? 3. Isn't it? So now you see 3 here. Here it is 4 into 3 is 12. 12 means 1 plus 2, 3. So here we'll write 3 is equal to 3. So the given answer is correct. So the given answer is correct. Isn't it? Now let us see one more example of the same. Question is given, answer is given, everything is given. We have to check whether it is correct or not without doing the actual division by using a small trick, that is a digit sum, and it is very, very easy. Okay, what are the digit sum here? Or else directly also you can write D is equal to Q and D and do it, but we will find it. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 means 3. 1 plus 2, right? Here it is 4 as it is. Here it is 2 plus 1, 3. These 3 numbers are there. Now we know what is quotient, what is remainder. What is quotient, what is dividend, and what is the divisor. So what is the formula? Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Here also we wrote plus remainder, but there was no number, we left it. We can write 0 also. Which is the dividend? Dividend means the number, which number you are divided. That is the dividend. So that is 84. 84 is 3. Okay. Now here quotient. Quotient means answer. Which is the answer we got? 21. 21, what is the digit sum? 3. Into D is a divisor. Divisor means by which number you are divided. That is the divisor. That is 4. digit sum is also 4. But reminder 0. You can add 0 because there is no any reminder. Okay. Now see. 3 equals 3 into 4 is 12. 12 is 2-digit number. Bring it into single digit. That will be 3. 2 plus 1. Sorry. 2 plus 1, 3. Or 1 plus 2, 3. Here also we got left hand side is equal to right hand side. Right. LHS is equal to RHS. We can write that. LHS is equal to RHS. So, given answer is correct. So, here all the answers, first one we got 8 is equal to 8. Answer is correct. Second one we got correct. Third one also correct. So, what are the answers are given? Everything is correct in this. So, in this way, we can use the digit sum. How to use the digit sum? For addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, for all those we have worked out some of the sums so that we understand how to use the digit sum for all the fundamental operation to check in the easiest way. Till now we have learned how to use the digit sum for all the fundamental operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here this is the homework for you. Homework is given 4 sums of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So check this without doing the actual process. Use the digit sum and check the answer whether it is correct or not and write whether it is correct or not in the comments.